Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best car ramps that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Guardian Rubber KR36R CurbRam. Bright yellow coloring makes sure you can see where the ramps are when you need to use them. The yellow coloring stands out and gives you something to aim for as you pull your car onto your property. Weighing only 35 pounds, this ramp for car can let 60,000 pounds of weight use it with ease. There should be no collapsing while you take your car over the obstacle. On top of that, your ramp measures 14 by 23 inches in size approximately, making sure you hit it every time you make an attempt to get off the road. 2 channels help you keep wires protected and 2 security holes help you keep the ramp in place so you do not push it away on a bad attempt to get in your yard. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Mophorn 2-pack rubber curb ramp. 2 is always better than 1, especially when you have 2 pairs of wheels that need to use these car ramps. Once you bring this set of car ramps home, all you have to do is set them in place, drive the stake in and you are good to go. Your vehicle should easily go over these approximately 19 by 17 by 4 inch non-slip car ramps. The grid pattern makes these ramps easy to drive over when you have a tough curb to navigate. In addition to all of that, you get a lot of versatility with these car ramps. They will work in manufacturing plants, supermarkets, and other high-traffic areas without batting an eye. When you have obstacles to overcome, you go with the best to get the job done. At number 3, we have the MAXSA 20031 curb ramp. The almost 2-foot width of these car ramps almost ensures that you will not miss them and fail to get your car over that tall curb. Not only can it hold about 10,000, it will help delivery people get their heavy packages up to your doorstep without hassle. On top of that, you can stake this ramp in place, making sure they are always available when you need to use them. The grooves and raised portions help provide your car's tires with the traction they need to make it uphill. Plus, their 13-inch width keeps the angle of your approach realistic and not too steep. You should be able to climb these car ramps without any trouble or slipping backward. At number 2, we have the Discount Ramps low-profile plastic car service ramps. These ramps are a little long to be used to get over a high curb, but they are perfect if you need to work on your car without using a jack. They give you enough lift so you can slide under with ease. Plus, their honeycomb design makes sure they do not get slick or slippery. They hold about 4,400 pounds each, making sure your car work gets done quickly. As you drive up car ramp, you will know when to stop moving once you feel your tires hit that tire stop at the end. With a low profile, these car ramps should be easy to store in your garage until you need them the next time. That makes owning these ramps worth their weight in gold. And finally, at number 1, we have the RhinoGear 11912 RhinoRamps Max Vehicle Car Ramps. High curbs are not the only reason you need a top-quality car ramp. There will come a time where you have to do a lot of work on your vehicle, and these ramps are ready to assist you. With rain channels to direct the water away from the surface, these raised ramps should be non-slip, and keep your car from sliding off. Also, they hold up to 8,000 pounds with ease, each giving you a total of 16,000 pounds to work with. Once your car is on the ramps, you will know when to stop. The high tire brakes at the end will let you know when your tires hit them. When that happens, just put your car in gear and go to work. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.